Chair,
be.
with the indulgence of Senator Cayetano, I would just like to inquire if there is an only questioning for allotted for a non-member of the committee, Madam Chair.
Well, I have announced during the first hearing that questioning by members of the Senate, or by, yes, whether member of the committee or not, that it should be limited to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Although I'm giving Senator Alan Peter Cayetano the leeway.
I believe we gave him more than an hour of leeway for a non-member. That's a luxury. And now, as a member, Madam Chair,
Madam
can
Chair.
I assert my right as a member of
Madam Chair, before
the committee?
we make
Otherwise,
that
we will
motion.
I might move to declare Senator Cayetano out of order for consuming the time of the committee,
Okay.
of
Madam
which
Chair.
he is not a member.
Madam Chair, may I now
Madam Chair.
take back the floor? First of all, Madam Chair.
Okay, with that, I am compelled to
Madam
move
Chair,
to declare
Madam Chair, may I...
Senator Cayetano out of order
Madam Chair, before that,
because he is
I-
a non-member of the committee.
Madam Chair, I am answering the inquiry
I so
of
move.
my colleague.
I move to
So,
suspend.
before that, Madam Chair, may I answer first? Unless you are censoring me here, kung MTRCB na kayo ngayon, okay lang.
Just 2 minutes suspension, just to clear the air, just to...
No need to suspend, Madam Chair. I can answer the...
Go ahead, please.
Okay, Madam Chair, my honorable colleague to my right
Madam Chair,
is much mistaken. May I please...
the
Madam Chair, I
motion
have
is...
there is no
is
motion
a
yet
privilege.
because I am speaking,
I
Senator
made the,
Trillanes. You
motion
made,
to suspend.
you have a premise that is wrong
So,
as usual. So I can answer
2
that
minutes
premise, Madam
suspension.
Chair. Anong forma ang pinagsasabi mo? Ikaw ang hindi pumorma dito. Mali. Sasabihan niya ako na hindi ako papaporma. Tumatanong ako maayos. Ganito na ba tayo? Basuhan na tayo sa namin. Hindi ba basto? Sabihan mo ako. Sabihan mo ako, hindi mo ako papaporma dito. Ano ba kaya? Ito na ko ah. Ito ako ng tao dito, di ba?
Please.
I will answer why I am a member of the committee. That's it. Ang problema, sasabihan niya ako sa mukha niya, hindi niya ako papaporma. Elected ako ng tao. Wala namang basura. Tayong dalawa, kay tatlong oras tayong dalawa eh. Timekeeper ka naman yun. Madam Chair, can we resume, please?
Hearing,
Madam Chair, ang hiningi ko lang naman po, huwag tayo magbastusan sa committee na to.
hearing resumed.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Before we recognize again Senator Alan Peter, that's why I had to butt in earlier, and I'm so sorry why I did that, is because, in proceedings like this, witnesses like the one we have now find it really hard to appear in proceedings like this. Now he is being pressed to answer questions on a matter that he thinks he's sensitive about that because maisasabi
Madam
niya
Chair,
kung sino
I will-
yung mga
Madam Chair.
tumulong sa kanya.
Yes, Madam Chair, I
Let me
understand
finish,
that.
please.
Madam
I'm the
Chair,
chair here.
just a point of order.
I'm the chair here.
Just on a different matter, Madam Chair.
I'm the
Madam
chair here.
Madam Chair, very respectfully, it's on a different matter, Madam Chair.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Madam Chair, it's on a different matter. Madam Chair, may I just sit here and listen to you without being intimidated? Because my seatmate here is intimidating me.
You can transfer.
No, Madam Chair, I am trying to ask questions. He told me here, hindi kita papopormahin. And then he tells me here, nabuboba pangarap mo, you are depending evil, etc. So, Madam Chair, I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. At kung totoo sinasabi, tatabihan niyo ako na itra-trash talk ako. Siguro naman bilang isang senador, I never did that to any of my colleagues. And I consider him a friend. So this is just a point of order, Madam Chair. I can move. Can you make sure he doesn't follow me? I will listen to you. If it takes you 2 hours, Madam Chair, you are the chair, I will follow. But I just wanted to explain bakit mali yung premise niya kanina. Because I gave a privileged speech. And if you look at item C of the agenda, it's my privileged speech. And it's not true that I have been speaking for an hour because I started at 1:45 and 12:45. And if you look, we have given the same leeway to any other senator. So the nation wants to know, nagsasabi ba siya ng totoo hindi? I'm here to interpolate. So if I'm not going to be given that chance by the committee, uwi na ako. Hinihintay ako ng asawa ko eh. Oh, yan sa
We are
ma'am.
giving you
Sabi
the
niya,
chance.
sana, umuwi na ako.
We are giving you the chance, so if you can limit your questions, please, because you are indeed consuming a lot of time.
Madam Chair.
Please go ahead.
Madam Chair, may I ask this one question?
Yes,
Ano,
please.
we have all the time in the world. Ano ba mas importante, lumabas ang totoo? Or is this just a demolition job against Duterte so we don't care? I mean, you cannot give me 1 hour or 30, 45 minutes. Samantalang lahat na, susunod ko nga ang tanong kung si Jose Rizal, si Duterte pa rin ang pumatay eh.
Let's not resort to that, please.
No,
Go
but,
ahead.
Madam-
Okay, I'm giving you
Okay.
the time, but please try to wrap it up because you've been consuming more time than the rest of the senators, and that is not. And
Madam Chair, we waited for everyone. It is not true I'm taking up more time because I'm taking their time. Madam Chair, we have asked all of them. We have given them
Go-
enough
go
time.
ahead, please.
Madam Chair, can you stop?
Just continue.
Can Senator Trillanes stop talking to me? I mean, I don't want to talk to him, but he keeps talking to me.
Senator.
I will put this between us. so
Senator
that he will
Sani,
not-
can you please
Madam Chair.
transfer? So
Yes,
to
I will
just
transfer, Madam.
avoid further.
I will, Madam Chair. Hindi,
Yes. Lipat
ganito
na
lang po
po.
yan. Ganito lang po
Huwag
yan.
na ho kayo magtabi.
Masyadong mahaba yung mga pasikot-sikot, masyadong madaldal. Kumbaga, ano na minsan it's quite annoying and irritating already. Sana he gets to the point. Ngayon, as mentioned, yung witness apparently is uncomfortable to say the circumstances kung paano siya napunta rito. But it doesn't mean that he is lying dun sa kanyang initial na mga testimonya. Ngayon,
Madam Chair,
ang suggestion niya rito
the
is
senator
kung
now testifying. I thought it is my
to
time.
executive session, maaring komportable niyang masabi. But at some
Thank you,
point...
Senator Sonny. Thank Pillanes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I offered that. I offered the proposal that in order for us to really find out exactly the circumstances, lalo na yung pag-alis niya sa WPP, paano siya nagtago, sino mga kumupkup sa kanya, at paano siya napunta sa committee. It would be best if we do it in an executive session. And Senator Alan Peter would be quite welcome
Madam
to
Chair.
participate in that executive session. So if I may respectfully suggest to Senator Alan Peter to go to other points, if any.
Madam Chair, I disagree, but I will go to another point. Kay Edgar, sabi